Once upon a time, there were two men who lived in a village. One of them was very rich. Allah had blessed him with two beautiful gardens full of grapevines, date palms, and all kinds of crops. A clear river flowed between the gardens, watering everything. The gardens gave lots of fruit, and the man never had to worry about anything. He had money, workers, and an easy life. The second man was not rich. He didn't have land or wealth like the first man. But he believed in Allah, and his heart was full of faith and gratitude. One day, the rich man invited his friend to visit his gardens. As they walked through the lush trees and green fields, the rich man became proud. He looked at his gardens and said, "I have more money than you, and I have more people working for me. Look at all this. I don't think this will ever be destroyed." Then, he said something even worse. "I don't believe the day of judgment will ever come. But even if I go back to my Lord, He will give me something better than this." His poor friend was shocked. He said kindly, "Do you disbelieve in the one who created you from dust, then a drop of water, and made you into a man?" Then he reminded him, "As for me, I believe that Allah is my Lord, and I never join anyone with Him. When you entered your garden, why didn't you say, MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah, what Allah has willed? There is no power except with Allah." He warned him, "Maybe Allah will destroy your garden and replace it with dry land. Don't be proud." But the rich man didn't listen. Then one day, without warning, a terrible disaster struck. His beautiful garden was ruined. The river dried up, the crops died, and everything was gone. The man stood there in shock, rubbing his hands in sadness. He cried out, "Oh, I wish I had not joined anyone with my Lord." But it was too late. No one could help him, and he had no power to bring his garden back.